Now we're dealing with the headlight. And this is just strictly toothpaste. Just with a rag, that's all. That's great. This thing had this thing had a lot of scratches on it. Yeah, just going down the highway. Guy almost wrecked me on the side, and luckily I got out of the way. Like very minimal damage on the other person's car. Oh yeah, I see it coming out. I saw it coming out down there. Down there, yeah. That's great.
I think you're going to have to sand it a little bit.
Probably. So,
you know those headlight restore kits when they're all foggy?
Yeah.
You sand the whole lens.
Right, yeah.
They give you sandpaper.
Yeah, worst comes to worst, get between a 120 and 160 grit sandpaper. Worst comes to worst.
I have some really fine sandpaper in the house.
Okay. And there's no rush, but damn, even just the toothpaste knocked the crap load of it out.
Let me go. I have this real light sandpaper, and you wet it.
Okay.
You wet it.
So for doing the headlight, okay. So it's like extra fine sandpaper to get some of the deeper scratches out. Yeah, I mean, because it barely touched it. I see some of it faded. It's definitely fading.
Wow.
That's great. Just a little bit of water, and there you go.
Some of it came in.
Yeah. And it's just like thin enough where it's not going to do anything to the actual headlight. Nice. Trust me, it's way better than it was before. Okay, just looking at that. Alright, just some toothpaste. That's so bizarre that toothpaste has trust me, it's definitely a lot better than it was. No question.
You want to do that?
You can try. You can try. So just what? Just nice and snug, nice and subtle. Oh yeah, that's way better.
What's that? We don't have the scratch doctor stuff.
It's back inside. But that part, it's just that, yeah, that's really that's probably the biggest piece is right there. Let me see if I turn this off. You can see it. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah.
That
You
down
do.
there.
You went, yeah.
That down there I don't like. This is real light, man.
Yeah.
This is just about.
That's all right. Yeah, there you go. That left side looks way better. I mean, the whole thing looks better.
This looks great. This looks, you can't tell here. You can't tell there.
Yeah, that looks great. Who knew? Toothpaste, light sandpaper, and water for the headlight. It's insane. Wow.
They're a little deep. That's why.
Yeah, on that side. Now for that side, would that be more? Would you use a lower grade of sandpaper on that?
I wouldn't.
No. Just so you don't hit the glass.
Well, you don't want to.
Scratch it up even more.
Yeah, you don't want to like go too heavy because this is just about like nothing.
Skin deep.
See, look, feel.
Yeah, right.
You're not like doing anything.
Yeah, still does something though. That's good. Can see out of it, which is good. That's great. Nah, trust me, for right now, that's fine. I could finish the rest.
Yeah, you can take this paper with you. I have more than a half.
Okay.
You might.
There you have it.
Restoring kits.
Right.
Like $10, and it actually has the